Hello and welcome to the video. This is a very quick video to let you know that there is a new tool available if you are a Betaflight quad flyer and you want to tune it, set up your rates and also optimize things like the filtering too. Now the default stuff in Betaflight for most quads is going to give you a nice flying experience. However, to get the most from a model, this is my Recon 6 I've had for ages. I've updated the back to the M10 GPS. I've updated Betaflight on it too and it flies nicely, but is it optimum? Can I make it fly any better? And that's one of the things that I sometimes struggle with. It changes the process and the best way to do it from version to version of Betaflight. And to be frank, I don't do enough tuning for it to be second nature to me. So how do I figure it out? Well, the great news is there is a new website which explains it in quite a bit of detail. It's this one here from fpvdrone.info. Don't worry, I'll put a link below so that you can go and have a look at it. The really nice thing is that Jan, the gentleman behind this, has actually put a lot of effort into trying to make it easy to run. A couple of quick things about this before we get too far into this. It is available in both German and English. It'll pick up the browser language that you're using, and it also downloads a version in the background. That means you can run it offline. That's great. So this will run on a tablet and a phone. If you want to do it at the field, then you can absolutely do that too, even if you don't have an internet connection. I love that idea. So let's just click reload now, because as I've just started this, it was getting the latest version here. Don't worry, it's not installing any real software as such on your computer. It's just making sure that all this stuff is available. Everything runs in the browser, and it is also available to download, and you can put it on your computer as a PWA app as well. The nice thing is there is also a Discord server, so if you're struggling with it or you're not sure about something, there is a place to go to ask questions with people that will actually help you. I love that. And the really thing that I got excited about when I saw this is there is two ways to access this tool. Both I'm a noob, brain optional, not quite optional, you have to be able to follow basic instructions, and then I'm a pro. This I'm a noob is the one I want to show you because I think it works so nicely. Again, if you're using this and you're getting benefit out of it, do send the guy a couple of bucks, buy him a cup of coffee. These kind of things are really, really useful for the hobby. And I wish more channels and stuff spent time explaining how all this stuff actually works in a way that's easy to follow. At the moment, in the noob area, we have filter tuning, PID tuning, and rates tuning is coming. According to Jan, the guy behind this website, that's going to be here in a month or two. So it's currently been worked on. But let's look at PID tuning. So what we have here, we have a little tick list of all the things that you need to have in order to start the process. So your flight controller has a black box, it's Betaflight 4.3 or newer. Props are in a usual state, i.e. they're not damaged. Make sure all your screws are nicely done up too. Black box logging is set correctly, which is going to talk about in all these separate things. So you can tick all these boxes, you're in a great shape. So then it goes through step 1.1. It gives you a picture of where it is in the Betaflight configurator, and it tells you step by step how you need to set everything, how you need to set up the P&I gains, how you need to extract the log file, and then how to do the analysis. It's really, really good. It even gives you all the links to the tools, including things like the PID analyzer from Volker Gosch. I'm not sure that's how you say that. Apologies for getting that name completely wrong. And you just go through how to clear the black box, how to set the sliders, and how to download and do the analysis. This is really, really good. This just steps you through step by step, and you can go through and do everything. And again, if you want to go back, you can also do this for filter tuning. Again, you have a certain number of things that you have to be able to have. Black box is essential, so you need a flight controller that has that. Unfortunately, some of the cheaper flight controllers don't, but it tells you exactly how to set everything up. So you can see how that is all working, how to get both the harmonic and the other kind of noise that you're going to get on a quad and how to take care of that. So there you have it. That's the website. Again, links below. Go and check it out. If you are not a Betaflight expert and you want to have a go at playing with the tuning and the filters and the rates and things like that, there is now a resource that you can go to that will step you through every single step in simple to understand English or German instructions currently, so you can get to the end and it's going to work. Hopefully this is something that will continue to grow. I know that Jan is keen to keep updating it as versions of Betaflight and the process changes, but now you have somewhere to go and read up and follow if you're not a PID tuning ninja. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Pedantry 60 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.